In 1776, America did not look like a nation about to be born. It looked like a rebellion on the edge of collapse. Armies were fleeing, cities were burning, hope was disappearing. This was the year when everything nearly fell apart. This was 1776. In the summer of 1776, Britain unleashed the largest force it had ever sent overseas. Thousands of seasoned soldiers, warships filling the horizon, a message sent clearly to the rebels: this ends now. General George Washington stood against them with an army that barely resembled one. Many were sick, many were untrained, many were already thinking of going home. The revolution was fragile, and the enemy knew it. When British troops landed on Long Island, the American defenses looked strong on paper. In reality, they were stretched thin and dangerously exposed. At first, Washington's men held their ground. Then, without warning, the British struck from behind. What followed was chaos. Units collapsed, men fled, entire regiments were wiped out trying to buy time for others to escape. From across the river, Washington watched his army break. He believed he was witnessing the end. Trapped against the East River, the American army had one chance. Under cover of darkness and an unexpected fog, Washington ordered a silent evacuation. Boats moved without sound. Not a single man was lost. It was not a victory, but it was survival, and survival was enough. The defeats did not stop. New York fell, the army scattered, desertions increased daily. Washington tried to rally his men and was ignored. At one point, he shouted in disbelief, "Are these the men with which I am to defend America?" Even Congress began to doubt him. Many believed the rebellion was already over. As winter approached, enlistments expired. Thousands went home. British commanders offered pardons, and many accepted. The dream of independence was fading fast. America was not losing slowly, it was collapsing. With almost nothing left, Washington made a desperate choice. On Christmas night, in freezing conditions, his army crossed an ice-choked river in total darkness, exhausted, outnumbered, yet determined. At dawn, they attacked, and against all expectations, they won. The victory at Trenton was small in scale, but enormous in meaning. Days later, another surprise attack followed. For the first time in months, the rebellion breathed again. The impossible suddenly felt possible. Foreign powers took notice. America was not dead. 1776 was not the year America was born. It was the year America nearly died. And sometimes, history is not shaped by strength, but by survival.